amazing tool that I thought might be in your interest. So it's something that you could definitely add on in toolbox. So it's called hyper trend. It follows a trend and tells you when it's ended and when it's continuing. So as you can see, these rectangular shapes determine the trend, right? And when it ends, you can see that the trend changes, right? Now, as you can see from here, trend is going up, change a little bit, went up, change a little bit, went down. All right, now I'll show you how to use this. Now, how do you use this, right? You want to use it for continuations only. Cool. Now, what do I mean by that? Let me show you. Now, you want to look at the trend, right? Look at the trend. What's the trend, right? This is a downtrend. Now, when you see a trend like this, right, going down, that is a descending flag, right? Means price wants to go up. Now, when we see our rectangular shape forming a shape like this, see that? That is a bullish flag, right? The moment it breaks out of it, what do? We want to sell, right? And like I told you, you need to add this as a confluence with your other strategies. Trust me, this works, it does not repaint. So make sure to try it out. Let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to help.